on a gentle
Every
slope
simple
in the
adventure
foothills of the
go
Himalayas, where
green.
wooded hills give way to alluvial grassland and tropical forests. The Manas National Park is home to a great variety of wildlife, including many endangered species such as tiger, pygmy hog, Indian rhinoceros, Indian elephant, the Indian gaur, bison and great water buffalo, great sambar, deer, peacock, and many birds that migrate from most parts of Asia and other highlands. Thank you for watching. Please visit Manas National Park for the glorious and scenic beauty of nature, mountains, and the great Becky River. Thank you.
Every simple adventure go green.